I like RT. We love our RT is nice. RT just fun loving. It's so sensitive and easily vexed. I'm going to take the passport picture of them, man. Enough things me do at the see that. Never tell a lie. You see? I went and took them. It's just that I never send it to the people then. Lord, but good kitty. Ah! Oh, watch bloody one there. Glam by O'Neill. O'Neill do my face, you know. He make me look like my nose straight. Watch. And this Amari, of course, I said the people that were on stage. Amari, you lie, you know. Where is the ring, Queenie? You remember I said from June, I took off the ring and run to come to Jamaica. Hey, RT, a good businessman. Listen, RT is a Queenie. I don't know how you expect me to manage how you do. Busy. You do. Where say the word? I do listen. But I do listen, you know. But throughout all my life, I always do my own thing, you know. What do you mean no ring, no RT ring? You know, see, I'm kicking ring out time and me don't know nothing about the ring. I don't even know what. Me not get the ring. The whole ring ceremony. Your father, they are seafood. What if somebody say your father, they are seafood? My born a seafood, Ricky. Alright, what my RT son of city that my son. Let me do it now. Cause I forgot to know. But I'm clear, me have money. Look here, me buy some broke. Watch out. You know some things are this? I think I two of them I have the money they may trick you. This is a 2,000 pound. No, 2,000 Jamaican dollar. Look. But it look like this. You see? So if you don't look on the sign, you will give it the 2,400. All along me see two of them in my bag in the ear, me now. On 200 pound alone, me have to go to a bank. Bad, poor. Every minute, me have to go to a bank. Jamaica, the money them done quick. Allah, me have $2,000. Whoa! Them not like me. Alright, I'm saying I have something for RT from now. RT with him vexes. Him sensitive. Mash and him a go war. Too. Let me tell the ladies, it's good when you have man best friend, you know. Yeah, so you know, so when you and them in an interest, them have them interest for you, you know, son of because you and them are fuck it. Nice when you have a man best friend. But me know mash, I gonna make problem. Mash I gonna make problem. Me I send them go get the people, and me I send them go get RT. So the two of them get them. Go and go report my passport. Every blood clot in my throw up on internet and I find something. Say, go and go report this too. Man are more sensitive, period. Alright, you hear him say me rough him up. I know him rough up in him, he's just rough. And my argumentative. So if you say one something to me, I find 10 answers. And I mean to say my 10 answer right, you know. Alright, you see me and the man them a par daytime. I mean and try them par, yeah? Ups and down. You see every time them say something to me, I say, no, I don't want it, I'm not doing it. And then 10 minutes after I process it, and I say, oh, you know that makes sense more with it. I hear them say, Queenie, me tell him, I say, so I steer. I believe enough to do what me like and rely upon myself. So, yes, when somebody come and tell me something, I not just take people opinion. Remember, I'm a queen, you know, I have to be my own, have my own fucking aspect, you know. So I always shoot them and say no, and then after I come back I like a little puppy dog. Here I like a little shavy dog no. I shoot with that tag. You know much time? Nice. Okay, this is going to RT. So them can't tell no lie now, some right crazy them witness me, so I send it. Alright. Alright, this is a passport. I don't have my finger in it. Wait no man. That's not professional. Wait! Watch my ugly fingernail. Alright. Alright, Mr. RT boss. You can't say I didn't send that. How is someone? Right, crazy. So you know, so them thief my passport. When me I go in September, when me I go back to England, when me they get dumped, all of the problem. It look like me come off a plane left my passport. That's the expired one, you know, with all of my stamp them everywhere. Whoa, Queenie look good, you watching a nice screen, watch her. You know, Yvette just gone, she was over here. Sham mom did over here this morning, but them gone. When I go back, I don't have no time for over that side right now. Wait, no, I don't see me I take picture. Link me when you're done. How would this one? Hey, a beer man, I look me bumbo clat. You know much man I'm married to me. I don't want no man. Sweet me, blood clot. Me say me feel powerful and bold and just my hype. Cause I don't want nobody. You know them look away there? Alright, the one I pictures don't. I don't know if I do this, you know. This just look full. Look at the picture first there. This can't send. Hey, good afternoon. Queen Rep, how was the weekend? Hello. Me need you on my dance. Hello, who this? Hello, good afternoon, darling. Are you booking me for your dance? Who this? The queen is here, the queen is here. Let me know where I'm going. Break it down to me, please, and thanks. Okay. Alright, let me send off the next one, you know. But I don't think this right. I'm not supposed to send out the passport picture that digital. I don't think I'm supposed to send it like this. When you song free it and wipe old car stop. That's what I come and I think I do it right. It no, I think I have send them off to the people them. You can't send passport picture per WhatsApp. I think I have to send it. I look good looking here. Hello? Watch your dash, my. Why you dash more? I haven't heard from you like 6 months. Where have you been? One more I ask you a quick question. If I send off them for application, I can't send it by WhatsApp. I have to send it digital, don't? Yeah. I just realized that I can't WhatsApp it. Yeah, I'm send it through the email. Send it to me, I'm send it through the email. Send it to you how? Take a photo of it and I'll scan it on the phone and send it through the email. So photo it and you're going to scan it and email it to me? Yeah. Alright, that better. Thanks. So what, man, where you there? You there Jamaica? Them don't know who me I talk to, but them hear a nice sexy voice. Them don't know who. Java, a beer man want me. I have only for things to tell you, Java. You have to go talk, baby. I say a good thing, I sing to blood clot. A beer bid them a bid for me. I just say a skid from everybody, so it's sweet, me. Yeah, man, make the... Fully book. I mean, I look for none of blood clot. Them a beer man. One man sent from America. Come send me him house. Me don't know if somebody else in borrow. He must say I live on the live now. Yeah, and same wife dead. Me so afraid. He Him same wife dead, and it would be an honor for me to come to the US to live with him. A beer man, may I get Javan? I'm afraid.
God, when the life done.
Yeah, when the life done, may you talk. Them say want to can't get it and get in the want to. I'm afraid. Me stay by myself. Love your job. Bye. Nice. Enough man, we have to truth. I don't want none of them. It's sweet, man. Yeah, the man, same wife passed away when he was 8 months now. I'm afraid. I say, sir, I can't just come live with people, so I have to connect to somebody. So no matter what they might give me, I can't go. No, sir. Me's just fucking me, yeah, man. Right now, if them give me 10 years or something on my spirit and connect to it, I don't want it. I just stay. But it's nice. You know, it's nice. I'm excited for so much man I bid for me. I say blood clot. I not even have no man with me a peep on. I have one little man with my peep on because I like him teeth them and him foot. But I just admire him because him look good, but I not admire him because I want to get intimate with him. I just like that little stage I me there now. Nice. Jesus Christ, one man buy one perfume send them for me. Let me show you where the man send come. I say blood clot. The man might take care of me through my figure. Wait, let me show you. Don't move. I will smell some. The man buy this for £160. If I USD, I buy it in at 200 and add the US for this. Excuse me. I say blood clot upon me, the pan God earth and the man they give me nothing. The man them would have dig out my caca clot and dry me out like a chips. And may I tell you, I get birthday money, I get New Year's money. Enough man start mind me, you know. Yeah. And I know look them and look me, you know. I don't know. I don't know if I sorry them sorry for me. And 3 women mind me too. You have one specific woman every time I ball she mind me. I never see nothing such a blood clot. You see the woman see me a ball? No. She send me £100. She know herself. So I have 3 women who mind me. As in, send me money just genuine and get them paid. Them have to give me £100 or £200. And then, beer man start mind me. True, you know?